Hello and welcome once again. Today we're going to solve two problems, both in the derivatives area, and they both cover the subject of options. So let's get started. Now quickly understand the perspective here. You've written a covered call, which means you've sold a call option on a stock that you already own and which is currently trading at a market price of $60. Now the strike price on the option is $65 and the premium that you're earning is $4. So let's draw a quick diagram. Here's the strike price plus option premium. And then from your perspective, you're looking at the market price. Now you're betting that the stock's price will not rise above $65. And if you're right, you will gain the $4 option premium and lose nothing. Now, if the stock price rises above the strike price, you will lose all of the upside potential. And once the stock price rises above $69, the benefit of the strategy, that is the income generated by the premium, is going to be offset by the gain that you've foregone on the stock. Now, from the option buyer's standpoint, there are two zones. One is the zone of exercising the option, which is any market price in excess of the strike price, because that's when they get to buy the asset from you at a price which is lower than the market price. And then there's the no exercise zone, which means that they let the option lapse. So with that, let's take a quick look at the answer choices. Once the stock price rises above 65, you start to lose money, which is not true. B, you are trading the stock's upside potential, true, in exchange for current income, true. So B is correct. Let's check with a quick look at C. The strategy is good for managing your downside risk, not true, while increasing current income, which is true. So the correct answer here is obviously B. Okay, let's look at the second question. When comparing the values of two otherwise identical in-the-money options on a stock that pays no dividend, it is most likely that European calls with a higher strike price will have more value than a European call with a lower strike price. Now remember that for both American and European style options, a call with a lower exercise price will be more valuable than an otherwise identical call with a higher exercise price. And the intuition here is, to the buyer, the higher the exercise price of a call option, the less likely it is that the market price will breach that price or go higher than that price. Hence, the option is worth less to the buyer. So we strike option A as incorrect. Just for your reference, remember that a put option goes the other way. So a put option with a higher exercise price will have more value than a put option with a lower exercise price. B, intrinsic value of European options can be negative. Now this is immediately incorrect. Remember that intrinsic value can either be 0 or positive, and time value, which is the other component of option value, is always positive until expiration when it converges to 0. And finally C, American call with a longer time to expiration will have more value than an American call with a shorter time to expiration. This is correct because remember, for most options with values greater than 0, that means options that are in the money, a longer time to expiration makes the option more valuable than an otherwise identical option with a shorter time to expiration. So the time value component is more valuable with a longer duration. So C is the correct answer here. Thank you once again. I hope you found those questions useful. I will see you again next time.